That's right. The newly proposed Senate Bill 747, or the No Kings Act, is a first-in-its-nation bill that's going to hold local, state, and federal officials responsible for any damages they make during raids. However, opponents of the bill say it's unnecessary. Cell phone video captured arrests across North Carolina over the weekend. Customs and Border Protection smashed the truck window of a man who was detained and released after CBP says he showed he's an American citizen. Proposed last night in the California State Senate, SB 747, called the No Kings Act, will allow Californians to bring a lawsuit for any monetary damages against any federal, state, and local officer who violates their constitutional rights.
So this is a return to trying to create normalcy and some state of people feeling safe, because people are actually feeling unsafe.
The bill is authored by State Senator Scott Wiener of San Francisco, who also wrote and passed SB 627, which bans law enforcement from wearing masks to hide their identities. Assemblymember Alvarez says both Senate bills give power back to the people.
Now, what is happening is not okay. It is not normal. And so through these laws we've been passing and introducing in the state, we're trying to create that normalcy for people.
However, those opposed to the bill call it unnecessary.
So this is just a solution in search of a problem.
Corey Gustafson says there are already ways to get recourse through the federal government and calls the No Kings Act overbroad.
So this idea that we need the state of California to be making law in an area that there is already federal law is completely ridiculous.
According to the Department of Homeland Security, people can file a claim for property damage, loss, personal injury, or death resulting from action taken by U.S. Customs and Border Protection. Now, the Senate bill that prohibits law enforcement from wearing a mask goes into effect January 1st. However, right now, it's still going through federal court. Also, Senator Wiener said the No Kings Act will most likely also face a little bit of resistance as it begins its way through the state Senate process. I'm Alex Cheney, CBS 8.